So magandang klase din siya guys. Hello mga guys, mag-unbox po tayo ng ating parcel. So let's go! So ayun po guys, ayun po yung Oppo A3X na unbox po na po natin. So ayun guys, papansin niyo po guys ay napakaganda. So babasahin ko yung guys yung description. So product picture guys ay Snapdragon 6S 4G Gen 1 mobile platform, military grade shock resistance, over 4 years durable battery and 45 watts flash charge, plus touch with IP54. So magandang klase din siya guys. Memory nito guys ay 4GB RAM, 64GB ROM, 4GB RAM plus 128GB ROM. RAM type LPDDR, phone storage card supported, OTB, UOTG supported. So ayun po guys. So battery niya guys ay 5100 mAh, 19.95 watts. So ayun. And then fast charger po ito guys. Sa mga nais mag-order guys, ilagay ko lang yung link sa comment section guys, yung official store nila guys sa Shopee. So maraming salamat guys, thank you.